Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on those notification bells. If you're not new, welcome back. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make my favorite seafood broil. That's right guys. So these are the ingredients that you will need for this recipe. Alright y'all, if you've been here before, you know how I like to do it. I like to go step by step, honey. Step by step, by step, by step. All right, so here is really nothing. This is a recipe that you can make up. You can really have fun with this. All right, so I do have all of my seafood. There will not be any cleaning. Ooh, I done dropped the black pepper. Anyway, so I have some crab legs, I have some turkey sausage, I had some shrimp, some corn, yes, and I have a little bit of crawfish. It's pre-seasoned. I purchased it like that, and then I have my shrimp. Yep, and I have my mussels. Now, whatever you don't want inside of the seafood broil, guys, you can omit. You don't have to put everything that I'm putting, but this is what I put. I have my Old Bay, my black pepper, my lemon pepper, my parsley, my garlic, my Creole seasoning, my garlic seasoning, and then I have my onion powder and butter. Butter makes everything better. All right. Butter. All right, guys. And then I have, of course, my my pepper flakes. Very simple recipe. So the first thing, you want to go ahead and take off that. Oh, the baby is turning up. He having fun right now. Is take off the skin off of the corn. Or go ahead and after you take the skin off, you break the corn the way I'm doing it with your hands. If you prefer to not do it that way, you can cut it up. But I'm just doing it the ghetto way. We ain't got to be professional all the time. Now, this right here, I will not recommend y'all to do, honey, because I damn near killed myself trying to cut this lobster tail with a knife. No, guys. Take a kitchen scissors. I didn't have that, so that's why I did it this way. But y'all see how I'm struggling with that lobster tail? Ooh, child, no. I'm trying to just keep my cool, and I'm just trying to open it. That thing was hurting my hands, y'all. But guys, take a knife, not a knife, take some scissors, and you want to cut right down the middle of that lobster tail. It's hard. But if you take scissors, the kitchen scissors, and cut down the shell, you'll be fine. Me, I did it the ghetto way, and I used I used a knife, not a pair of scissors. I used a knife, and then I just scooped it out with my hands like so. All right, here I had all my seafood in here, and I'm just rinsing it off. I know I mentioned earlier that you don't have to wash it or anything. I don't wash it with vinegar or anything like that. I'm just rinsing it off because it was on the counter, and I just wanted to make sure that I show you guys everything that I'm using. So that's why I did that. Baby is having fun. He is having a ball. So, yes, guys, you want to go ahead and put everything in a bowl and rinse it like so. And now it's time to get that sauce ready, y'all. Okay? Everything tastes good with butta. Now you're going to put seasoning. Now, this right here you can make up, all right, guys? You can have fun. You can put your own little spin, your own little twist to this, all right? Very fun, all right? I'm not going to tell y'all no measurements. Just make sure it's nice and salty. Yes, I said it, nice and salty. You want that sauce to be nice and salty so it can soak up inside of that inside of all of the seafood, the seafood, all right? I put like 2 cups of butter in there. I added a whole bunch of Creole seasoning, Old Bay seasoning. If y'all want a measurement, y'all could start off with 1 tablespoon of each seasoning of your choice, or you can use the ones that I have, and then you drop all of the stuff that I just rinsed off in that bowl, from your crawfish, your corn honey. You want to drop the crab legs, boo. You want to go ahead and drop that corn honey. Yes, okay? And then you want to drop them turkey sausage. Again, if you do not want to use any of these things, you make your own seafood broil, honey. You put what you want in that seafood broil. All right? Some people make it with only shrimp. Honey, do that. If that's what you want, go ahead and do that, boo. Now I'm just putting in 2 cups of water, and I'm going to let it boil for about 30 minutes. Simple. All right, and here it is. It's boiling. Baby having fun, y'all. Yep, you just let it boil just like so. I'm going there with my parsley for a little more flavor, just like so. And then the last step is to drop I had a brain fart. Oh my gosh. Is this what happened when you have 3 children? Okay, so I did drop in my lobster tails at the end. This is the step where you want to drop in the lobster tail, and if you want to drop in your shrimp. I did also add some more butter because everything tastes good with butter. Yes, y'all, everything tastes good with butter. Butter, 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 butter. So yeah, guys, just the way you guys see me doing it, seafood broil shouldn't be that hard. Have fun with this, guys. I don't want to make it like a regular recipe. It's really what you make it, because people do it differently. This is how I'm doing it. Some people would tell you put it in the oven. All right. I just put it in a big pot, honey, and I put everything in there. I'm gonna make my sauce very salty, honey. Make it nice and salty, all right? Seafood broils are usually salty anyways, all right? So, yeah, guys. Now, look at that. Look at that. Ooh, look at it. Look at that, honey. Anyways, this is how I make my seafood broil. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Later.